A very warm welcome to Swara's Sweet Delights. Today I am going to show you some pakoras, and today we are going to make capsicum and cheese pakoda. It's very easy to make at home, so let's see how to make it. Let's see the ingredients. We will need 1 cup of gram flour or besan. Here is 1 cup of shimla mirch, and here I have taken 2 shimla mirch and I have slit them into 2-inch pieces, you can see. And now here is cheese. This is grated cheese, processed cheese, half cup or as per your requirement. Here is pizza seasoning, 1 teaspoon, red chili powder, half teaspoon, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, salt for taste, and this is 1/4 teaspoon of ajwain. To this gram flour we are going to add turmeric powder, red chili powder, salt and ajwain, and we are going to add little water and we are going to make a batter out of it. We will mix it well and make sure you have to make a lump free batter. You can see here our batter is ready, and to this now we are going to add a pinch of cooking soda, but this is completely optional, you can skip it. And again we will mix it well. To this grated cheese we are going to add our pizza seasoning, and if you don't have pizza seasoning you can also use oregano and red chili flakes and black pepper powder. And now we are just going to mix it well. Now we will take 1 capsicum piece, and to that we are going to stuff this grated cheese filling. Just press it gently. Likewise we will fill grated cheese to all the capsicum and we'll keep them ready. You can see here we have filled the capsicum. We have made 1 batch ready, and now I'm going to dip this into our pakoda batter. You have to fry them well on medium to high flame till the color changes to golden brown. You can see the color has changed, and now we are going to take them out. Here we have our cheese filled capsicum pakodas ready. Serve them hot with chutney or ketchup.